Alright, this is ShawNshawN. Welcome to my channel. I'm the artist behind ShawNshawN.co, and I also sell paintings on eBay, starting as low as $1. So check that out. Anyway, today we're going to go to the gallery. Going to be painting abstract. Got a little satiated with my realism, and I thought I'd flip back to my abstract style, so let's give it a go. Alright, now we're going to do the colors. I finally fixed the focus. So it's the colors my dad bought, interactive, and this is, wrong side. Titanium white. This is Amsterdam. Where's the color? Primary interactive, phthalo blue, interactive, carbon black, cadmium orange. This is Crimson, interactive as well. All right, wish me luck. Thanks, guys. Alright, so that's kind of our first layer. We'll see. Looks pretty good now, but I really want to land the red, yellow, black kind of in there after this, fully dries, because I don't want any blends with the red, yellow, black. So I want to keep the colors clean from the blue to yellow, and then to red to yellow to black. Alright, we'll see what happens. Alright, I don't know what I'm doing here at this point. I got through some cool parts in some stages and then wiped out others, brought back others. I'm going to let it dry a little bit and then maybe scrape a little. I don't know what this to make out of this one, but anyway. Alright, I'm going to let it sit. I don't know what to think. I think I had more success yesterday when I started with yellow, orange on the bottom and then kind of blues on top. If I'd done the opposite, kind of greens on bottom and then yellow, red, but maybe I should have used more yellow with the red to contrast that green. Could have barely any green left, so I don't know. Yeah, it's just kind of a mess, but maybe it'll dry okay. We'll see. All right, well, we just finished the painting. Let's look at this. Zoom in here. So I have a really, you know, in the background I have the green. It's kind of been, there's mostly no green left. I've used the blue, white, red, little purple in there. And yeah, I think it's done. I was kind of hoping, like, when I use it on panel, it's really easy to scrape through. On the canvas, it really sticks and is gritty in there, so I don't think the scraping techniques works as well. So maybe next time I'll use more of a flat panel for this style. I don't think it works as well with canvas board, but you know, live and learn. I think it's a pretty good thing. But anyway, if you like the demo, give me a thumbs up. You can subscribe below, and hopefully share with your friends, and see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.